Hi everyone, hope that you are well. Today we will speak. I will speak about lighting solution for industrial application. More exactly, we will um, go together to establish a lighting design or propose a lighting design for a warehouse. So we have on the left side we have a warehouse. Um, like destination, and on the right side of this building we will focus on the production line. So we have a, let's say, a common thing like warehouse and production line under the same roof, and in the front part of the building we'll have the reception and deliver of the goods, um, which are later on stored to the warehouse, and yeah, taken as well from the production line to the warehouse. And in the middle we just have the main entrance, and yeah, some toilets and lockers for which are being used for the workers on the production line and as well in the warehouse. So the first thing is drawing the new building. So I will stop from this corner. The shape, yeah, simple, just a rectangular. The complicated part will come afterwards when we need to draw the spaces for each application, or specific for the production line and for the for the warehouse. The total height, here we have, because we combine the warehouse with the production line, we have a height of 10 meters, and then we just close it on in this way, so we can have a preview on the 3D how the site will be is looking. In the front, I would say you can see also the represented the trucks. We on this design I will propose also the lighting for the outdoor, for dock for docking of the cars and of the truck, because yeah, we need to have light, and we need to have light on the perimeter of the main doors where the trucks or the small cars are coming, and they need to load and unload the goods from the cars. So there is definitely necessary to propose also a lighting system. And now I will jump into drawing the interior spaces. I will start with production line, which is, I would say, the biggest one. In the production line we have also like 2 3 offices, so for time being I will skip those ones, and I will just focus on the production line and try to start proposing a lighting solution for it. It's, yeah, it will take a couple of minutes to draw the interior for the production line. And for the production line, what I want to mention that is it's very important is the requirements for the of the light level that we need to fulfill. For example, if you have production of fine parts or medical um, medical things, you need to have around 1000 lux, from, let's say, from 500 lux to maximum 1000 lux, depending on the space um, designated for that production line. So that's a lot, and considering that we have a height of 10 meters, my proposal is to go with a, of course, continuous line, but suspended, because to have to achieve such a high amount of, let's say, light will be definitely will not be efficient, first of all. And yeah, one of my important things when I design and propose a lighting system is also consider the efficiency of that lighting solution which I'm proposing. So yeah, I just finished to draw the production line. Let's have a look. So here you go. This is the production line, which um, I need to propose the lighting system. After I finish the name, I will just name it also. I think I'll just write right here, just to be easy to identify later on. Production line. And yeah, the work plan I will write on 0.8. As you can see, we have a conveyor here, so it's a band with workers are near the band, so it's not on the floor level, it's around 0.8 to the ground. And if I go here, we have a standard office, but I will go to select industrial. Let's see if on industrial if we can have, or we can go, as I said, laboratory pharmacy, where we have like we need to do medical things like pills production. We need to have, for example, 1000 lux. Or color inspection, and if we go on the general, then we go on the 500 lux. Let's say that we have a production of this kind um, of pills, and then we need to achieve a 500 lux the light system. So next, we need to add the furniture, I would say, perimeter furniture. Let's see what we have. If we have actually windows, if I go perimetrical, we see that on the production line actually we don't have any windows. Just exception are the two offices, which for time being I will not do the lighting system. And as well, I will do later these two rooms, which I will skip for the time being, and I will start with adding the shelves on the perimeter area on both sides, and after that I will place it in the middle and try to establish also the production line, just to have a perception of all the space, and yeah, offer the best or let's say the most realistic scenario related to this space. So first thing, I will just add a shelf on the side as mentioned. I will just rotate it. Now we just need to scale it as well on the two axes. I will just afterwards just copy and just paste, move it back on the right spot, scale it again. Here actually what I forgot is also the size. So now it's 1.1, so yeah, it's quite low. I'll place it around 4 meters, so I'll just place it here. Let's put it like 4 meters. As you can see, the workers have forklifts, so they can take the products from the shelf from the top. So we just copy, paste it again here. We need again scale it a little bit down and just copy once again. And here I will say we need to scale it a little bit against it. It's okay. And let's see how it looks. Yeah, looks okay. Here I need to move it a little bit as it's being part of the column, so that's not correct. I'll just go on 2D and yeah, just move it down and I will scale it once again just to be on the right position. I will do the same thing. I will use the same actually shelves just to gain some time. I will just place the same shelves also on the left side of the production line. And here just copy again. Having the furniture in the place will yeah, it will give you a better idea about lighting calculation, and I would suggest that all the time when to add the furniture when it's available for the project that you're working. And now I will just move on. I will use actually the same type of the shelf, and I just place in the middle. In this case, I'll just add it here. It's like double-sided. So just scale it on one side and after that on the length. Here we have an inner part, so here we have only the shelf will be, the height will be 2 meters and it will look like this. So as I said, placing the furniture for the space is looking much better, more realistic, and you have a better perception of the space and how it's utilized. And yeah, and also for the lighting, it will give a easiest way how to try to copy now 4 shelves and place this also on this side. Let's see how difficult and easy it gets. Yeah, that was not so difficult. And now I'll try to copy all 8, and yeah, let's copy here. Just to gain some time in placing the shelves and placing on the right spot. Here is okay. Yeah, now we are okay. Once again, doing the same exercise. Good, and here I will just do it again and just delete the the one which are plus. So this one. Yeah, I'll just delete. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Yeah, I think it's looking better and better. And now I'll just go down. And I will try to use, yeah, from Dialux. Actually, even I know that I don't have a conveyor or a continuous line. I will say that you can use actually what is important is the height and the dimension, and you can just use, for example, I'll just give a table and you just scale it just to represent the actually the conveyor size. I'll say that will be the easiest way. Of course, if you want to have the precise, you can maybe import different or exactly furniture, but for the calculation, I think you can just use the elements which are already existing in Dialux and just make sure that you have it in place, have the right size, and yeah. And now I just scale it on all the way. And this line I will just go until the bottom, actually until here. You see here it's over, and here we have a PC, and same here, and we just copy and place it also here where we have a photo station, and we can just move it by the end. And here we just scale it once again and until that curve, and we stopped here. And after that we'll just copy and we place it once again here. And here I also just enlarge it until this end to be like just one. As I see, we don't have any gaps, so it's two line one. It's just the direction which the conveyor is spinning is different, but we can just scale it. In this case, we go till this part, yeah, and then we can come all the way this part. Yeah, I think here it's a little bit even bigger, so I'll just scale it once again to bring it until here. Yeah, so that should do. Make sure that it's 0.8 just to have the right height, and then you're good to go. So yeah, the most important is how to represent it correctly. The conveyor band, the shelf areas, place on the side of the building, and then also the conveyor. So that will do. I will do the same thing also on the other side, and add also the PC where it's missing. So here we just duplicate on the other side, so to have the same thing. So let's copy and add it here, the same spot. try to move it on the same direction. Need more down. Yeah, I think that's the end. Make sure that is the right, yeah, center. Let's see down. Yeah, there just a little bit. So we'll not save for time being. I will save it. Okay, so that should do until, let's say, here. And here, let's say that we need just a little bit one of small wrong. Yeah. So that's for today. Starting the calculation as I said for industrial application. More exactly, we have combined a production line, which you see it in this image, and we have also on the warehouse on the other side of the building. I would say on the left side, where we will doing in the next session. We will take care about drawing the interior space and then establish drawing the furniture, and of course proposing the lighting solution. In addition, we have the docking station for this industrial application. So we need to take care of also the reception of the goods, and also packing of the goods and ship it and load it to the trucks. And in addition, we will do also the lighting for the for the parking lot for the cars. So we'll have also an exterior lighting on this project. So if you like this video, please give a like. It will help me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to let your comments to this video and the other videos available on my channel. So until next time, I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Bye.